What's going on, guys? Philip here, and today I'm going to show you how to log in on your router on the internet. So to find your router's homepage or website where you'll log in, simply Google your router's name and login or homepage, such as D-Link login. So I'm using Thomson, so my address is 192.168.1.254. So I'm already logged in here, but I'll show you how it looks when I log in. So switch to another user here, and the default login is usually admin as username and admin as password, or username as username and password as password. So my default is username as my username and password as my password. So there you have it. That was all. It's pretty simple. If you need help with finding your router's homepage or default login, please don't hesitate to comment or send me a message. Thank you guys for watching. Hope this helped you out, and until next time, hasta luego.